guys, so here it is, 2013 CT. Toyota failure. Here's the part number. Actually, I'll post it in the video, but this little guy here, Toyota Avalaons, Camrys, and Priuses all have the same issue. The rattle comes from this plastic piece, wearing out. So stop thinking that you can just tighten up some bolts. This is the issue right there. And if you tighten your bolts and it fixes the problem, I guarantee you it'll be temporary. I've even replaced those bolts on the intermediary shaft, and it did not help. I literally have no... That entire piece is just shredded completely. So this is the replacement part, and I'll check if it works. But it is a pain to get here because the CT, they made everything so tight. So good luck. There's 3 bolts holding the entire shaft, 2 on top, 1 from the side. This long bolt is the key. It holds everything together. When you pull it out, the entire thing drops. You're gonna have to wiggle it out and basically get there. And then even getting to this, as you can see, I had to go behind this unit. This unit here, I had to behind it. I stripped it and then unscrewed it. So putting it back together is gonna be interesting. But I was hoping this would be the issue because all that work for nothing would have been a pain. There it is. All right, guys, so you can see the old fragments here. I actually vacuumed everything out of there, and there's the new part right there. I actually reused the old rubber piece here because it seemed like it fit better. But yeah, so this goes back onto here, 2 bolts. I think Avalaon and some of the other cars have 3 bolts, so it's a little bit different, but it is really tight. So good luck how you get in there. Try not to break anything. All right, guys, so I've installed the piece, put everything together, tightened up those 3 bolts that hold the entire shaft together. I put some of the plastics back, but not all. I'm gonna test it out. You can see the vehicle only has 75K miles. Same road, right here. All right, very nice. Nice. Oh, this feels so good. Oh yeah, this is good. Drive here every morning. Always get the rattle on this turn. Rough road here. There you go, suspension over a big crack, but nothing in the steering wheel. So even doing this, so much better. Sweet. So that's the problem. It is not your intermediary shaft. It is, I don't know. Tightening the bolts did not work for me. I even read someone posted that you have to replace those bolts. I went and paid $6 a bolt, replaced 2 of the bolts. Didn't do anything. This part is roughly, I think it was like 10 bucks, 12 bucks. So it's just kind of a pain to get there. That's very nice. So feels good. No more rattle. I'm happy. We'll button it up.